Welcome to Question and Answer on Browsing the Internet. Let's learn with MG. In this video, we'll go through important questions and answers to help you understand how to browse the Internet safely and effectively. Here is the agenda for today's session. We will cover multiple choice questions, fill in the blank questions, name the following, web browser navigation buttons, and short answer questions related to Internet browsing. Let's begin with multiple choice questions. Question 1. Rohit will click blank button to go back to the previous page of the website. A. Stop. B. Back. C. Refresh. D. Forward. The correct answer is B. Back. Question 2. Blank is the universal language that is used to create a web page. A. URL. B. HTTP. C. HTML. D. MS Excel. The correct answer is C. HTML. Next set of multiple choice questions. Question 3. Select the web browser from the given options. A. Opera. B. Bing. C. Yahoo. D. Google. The correct answer is A. Opera. Question 4. Blank is the organization that provides the service for accessing and using the Internet. A. URL. B. ISP. C. Search engine. D. Modem. The correct answer is B. ISP. Let's continue with more questions. Question 5. What is the full form of www? A. Wide Web World. B. Web Worldwide. C. World with Web. D. World Wide Web. The correct answer is D. World Wide Web. Question 6. Which operator is used in a search engine to exclude a word from the search? A. B. Plus. C. D. And the correct answer is C. Here are the next questions. Question 7. Which of the following is not a web browser? A. Internet Explorer. B. Windows Explorer. C. Google Chrome. D. Microsoft Edge. The correct answer is B. Windows Explorer. Question 8. Where do you type the URL of a website in a browser? A. Bookmark tab. B. Menu bar. C. Address bar. D. Search box. The correct answer is C. Address bar. Let's move on to more questions. Question 9. In a web browser, which option is used to save a website address? A. Refresh. B. New tab. C. Bookmark. D. Forward. The correct answer is C. Bookmark. Question 10. The information on a web page can be in the form of blank. A. Text. B. Pictures. C. None. D. Both I and two side. The correct answer is D. Both I and two. Here are more questions. Question 11. Blank is the area where the URL is entered. A. Address bar. B. Menu bar. C. Title bar. D. Bookmark. The correct answer is A. Address bar. Question 12. By clicking which button we stop a page from loading? A. Refresh. B. Search. C. Forward. D. Stop. The correct answer is D. Stop. Let's continue. Question 13. What is the full form of HTTP? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. Hypertool Test Protocol. C. Hypertransfer Text Protocol. D. None. The correct answer is C. Hypertransfer Text Protocol. Question 14. Which is known as the address of a website? A. URL. B. ISP. C. HTML. D. None. The correct answer is A. URL. Let's try fill-in-the-blank questions. The blank is a global network that connects millions of computers worldwide. Answer: Internet. A blank is a collection of related web pages linked with one another. Answer: Website. The blank allows us to view web pages on the World Wide Web. Answer: Web browser. The first page of the website that appears in the web browser is called the blank. Answer: Home page. The blank option of a web browser is used to store, display, and organize the most frequently visited websites. Answer: Bookmark. The blank option in a web browser helps you view all websites that you have visited in the past few weeks or days. Answer: History. You can connect to the internet using blank technology used in cell phones. Answer: Wireless. Name the following. It is a company that provides us with an internet connection. Answer: Internet Service Provider, ISP. It is a device that connects your computer to the internet. Answer: Modem. It is a device that shares your internet connection from your ISP between all your devices by creating a Wi-Fi. Answer: Router. It is an application used to access information available on the web. Answer: Web browser. It is a website that helps you search for web pages based on keywords. Answer: Search engine. Let's look at web browser navigation buttons. Reload, to view the updated information on the page. New tab button, to open a web page in a new tab. Bookmark this tab, to save the addresses of the web page. Back, to go back to the previous web page. Forward, to go to the page you visited before pressing the back button. Short answer questions. What would happen if Myra clicked the icon of her web browser while surfing on a website? Answer: It will reload the same web page of a website. Gia wants to view all the websites she had visited in the last week. Which option in Google Chrome will help her to do the same? Answer: History. Ryan has visited a website that he would want to revisit again later. Suggest the option that will help him to save the address of the website. Answer: Bookmark. Ritesh wants to connect his new computer to the internet. Explain why he needs a modem. Answer: It is a device that connects your computer to the internet provided by the ISP. It converts analog signals to digital signals. Next, more short answers. What do you understand by ISP? Name some popular ISPs. Answer: The Internet Service Provider, ISP, is a company that provides the internet connection for a fee. Popular ISPs are Jio, BSNL, Airtel, and MTNL. What is a web browser? Explain any 3 common options present in most of the browsers. Answer: A web browser is software used to display information that is stored on a web page or website. Options present in most browsers include back, forward, and reload or stop. Let's continue with short answers. Chaitan's family is moving to a new house. He needs to get an internet connection for his computer. Explain the role of ISP in getting an internet connection. Answer: An ISP, Internet Service Provider, is a company that provides access to the internet. Chaitan needs to contact an ISP to set up an internet connection at his new house. The ISP will provide the necessary equipment and services to connect his computer to the internet. Give the full form of the following. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. ISP, Internet Service Provider. www, World Wide Web. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. Here are more short answer questions. You want to get an internet connection at your home. List what you require for the same. Answer: You need devices like a computer, laptop, or tablet, an internet service provider, a modem, and a router which can be wired or wireless. Mira was surfing the internet and she came across a link that popped up in between. Why should she not click the link? Answer: Mira should not click the link because clicking these links may add harmful programs to her computer. These programs can steal personal information stored on the computer. Let's answer a few more questions. Explain the working of a web browser. Answer: a web browser is a program on your computer that helps you access and view websites on the internet. When you type an address or URL into the browser, it sends a request to a computer called a server that stores the website files. The server responds by sending files to the browser, which displays the website. What is the internet? Mention any 2 uses of the internet. Answer: the internet is a global network connecting millions of computers worldwide. 2 uses are watching movies, listening to songs, playing games and puzzles, reading jokes, stories, and books, and purchasing various items from e-shops around the world. Here are more short answers. What is a homepage? Answer: the homepage is the very first page that opens when you visit a website. Explain the working of a search engine. Answer: the search engine uses a computer program called a spider that explores web pages and their links and collects information. Another program indexes the collected information to increase the speed of searching. A third program matches your keywords with indexed pages. The best matched websites are displayed first. All these tasks are performed without human intervention. Let's answer more questions. What is a web browser? Answer: a web browser is a software application used to access and view web pages. Popular examples include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Write down any 3 safety rules you must follow while using the internet. Answer: 1. Don't trust all information on the internet. Cross-check with your parents or teachers. 2. Do not copy material found on the internet and present it as your own work. This is plagiarism. 3. If you find information that makes you uncomfortable, inform your teachers, parents, or adults. Here are the final short answers. What is a URL? Answer: URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the unique address of a website or web page, typed into the browser's address bar to visit it. Describe the types of search results that you obtain after clicking on the search button. Answer: ads are advertisements sponsored by various advertisers, shown at the top of the search result page. Ads look like normal search results with a little green ad rectangle before the website address. The knowledge graph panel is a box that shows up with contact information to the right of the search results, like a business card, when someone searches for your business by name. Let's finish with these questions. What is address bar? Answer: the address bar is where the website address is typed to open the website. Describe the types of search results that you obtain after clicking on the search button. Answer: types of search results include ads, which are sponsored by advertisers and shown at the top of the page with a green ad rectangle, and the knowledge graph panel, which displays contact information to the right of the search results. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more educational content.